Hi, thanks for tuning in to the Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to be showing you where to find your spare wheel for a Ford Focus Mark II. So we'll come around to the boot. And under the carpet. So you lift your carpet. Oh, tight. And here's the spare wheel. So we'll have a screw. Already taking this out. That screws down. As you'll see, the smaller hole is threaded. And we have a space saver. So you'll see here markings for safety, 80 kilometers max. And this is your space saver. Space saver means that it's narrower than a normal wheel to save on space. So you'll see the normal wheel, the depth of a normal wheel, and then the space saver is much more narrow. So also we have, this is your jack, this is your wheel brace, and this is your little towing eye. So that's if you need to be towed, if the car breaks down and you need to be towed by a tow rope. The tow rope hook is a little bit hidden on these, so it's not in there, it's in here. So what you need to do is you have to put your hands in here and give it a good pull, and this will clip out, and then you've got your tow hole. The thread for your tow hook is behind this cover. So there we go. So this is where you'd screw in. Quite often these are opposite thread as well, so that it doesn't accidentally screw out as you're towing. And this is where you'll screw in your tow hook loop, eye, I guess you'd call it, a towing eye. Okay. Well, thanks very much for watching. I hope that you found this informative. If you did, make sure you click on the like button, and if you're not already, please subscribe, support the channel. Thanks very much. Have a great day.